Aaron, what's safety mean to you?
Sure. So, as you think about safety in our safety journey, I think about what it means to me. And what it means to me, it's safety is personal. And I think if you look at how decisions that are made along the way could impact that individual, the individual's families, the coworkers, making sure that they understand how personal that is and what the impact to lives around them could be by making a great decision, the decision to stop and think before we act, as well as looking at it from a perspective of how will this impact the group, myself, my family. So I want to leave us with that, as keep that in mind as we move forward.
Fantastic. How about, we've also elevated quality to be, one of those forefront type of a planning, thinking processes too. What's quality mean in your mind?
Well, again, just like the safety journey, I think we've continued to evolve our mindset around quality. At the end of the day, it's the decisions that are made along the way that translate to the end product quality. So we're really going to be continuing to focusing on the incremental decisions of what we choose to bid, the customers we choose to do work with. I think along the way too of, are we putting the best product forward? And if we don't have enough resources to do something, we'll say no. And I think that will lend us to an ultimate quality product at the end of the day without as much pressure on getting it right that we push into the shop in the field.
Right. We strive for excellence in everything we do. 2020 is about continuing to do that, but also profitability. Safety and quality tied directly to the profitability of the organization.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So we're a projects company, and project execution is so important because that's where we determine, how we're going to do profitability-wise is when it comes to execution, and then also that's the lasting impression we leave with our customers.
For sure.
So from a project execution standpoint, we definitely have to get better there and make sure we're delivering our best each and every time. What's your message to the organization around project execution?
It's really very simple. It goes back to the old saying, plan the work, work the plan. And if we can do that and everybody is held accountable to being part of the team,
right,
and not just saying, well, that's not my job, I think we're going to go a long way, that we can collaborate and pick each other up along the way to identify opportunities as well as challenges.